So you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah, yes.
So, like last class we discussed, right? What is perform testing? What are the tools in the market? Ambika, you are also there, right, in that class?
Yes, I was
Components,
there. Yes, I was.
components in LoadRunner. Yes, yes, very good. So LoadRunner architecture also we are seeing, right? So just your understanding point of view, you guys will be know from these points, or can I explain, or I can ask questions? You can just we can recap.
Yeah,
Sorry.
we can we can ask these questions. You already explained.
Yeah. Okay, then that's good. Okay. So like what is performance testing, Sunil?
Yeah, performance testing is a non-functional testing to evaluate application performance under some load stress condition. In general, in terms of speed, scalable stability, and also different types of performance testing available in the load test, endurance, spike testing.
Okay. So what are the tools in the market? How many components in LoadRunner?
Yeah, in the market
Yes.
available so many tools. Yeah, in the market available so many tools like HP LoadRunner, JMeter, Neoload, etc. And most of the companies using in HP LoadRunner because of it is a license tool, and also we get a more resource, and also 5 components of available in the LoadRunner: Fusion, controller, load generator, agent processor, analysis.
What is the explain about that five components?
As a virtual user, we can record the business flow, and also based on our requirement, we keep the script. After develop the script, we can put in the low controller. In the controller, business flow, and also recording multiple, executing with the multiple users. Also different types of the testing we are using in the controller. After load generation, it is used to generate the load against the application. Agent pros connection between the controller and analysis.
Okay. Okay.
Analysis.
Architecture, we need little more.
Yeah.
I bought
I will explain again one more time. Okay, no worry. Yeah. Yeah, Ambika, like what are the components LoadRunner? What are they?
We have 5 components. One is virtual user generator, controller, agent process, load generator, and analyzer.
Okay, could you please explain about briefly one by one?
Virtual user generator is then one of the primary component where we have to define how much we are going to set.
Okay.
Controller is the processor, how the when
What
how,
happened? You guys said internet is good or not? Actually, your voice breaking. So my voice is clear,
yeah, your voice is clear.
your voice is clear.
but your voice is breaking actually. Oh, yeah. Now you can continue. Okay. Prasad. Prasad, or can I call Ambika?
Prasad.
Okay. Sorry for that. Yeah.
No
Continue,
problem.
Prasad.
So controller can we can by through controller we can upscale or downscale the number of users.
Okay.
Agent processor, I'm not much clear like what it do.
Okay. Okay. No worry. Yeah. Then.
Load generation, again, we have to define the time, what time and what interval we have to spike up the load, and we have to bring down the load. And analyzer will give us a complete analysis.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. Sunil? Sunil?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, why you are
Yes.
explaining very fastly? Very fast? Sir, anything reason or your way
Actually,
of talking
oh,
only
sorry,
that?
sorry. Next time no.
Okay, sir.
Actually, I'm talking about the speed. That's why.
No, no.
Yeah, next time I will explain this slowly.
Okay. Then that fine. That fine. Okay, because if you do from the interview also same, so your interview will be finished only 5 minutes or 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. Okay, and they will
Uh,
also not clear about your.
yeah. Actually,
Yeah,
hello.
I know some disturbance, so that is why you are giving from the properly immediately base. Okay,
Hello.
no worry. Yeah, yeah. Okay, no worry, Sunil. Okay. So thank you. Like I think
No, next
you
time I will try.
guys. Yeah, no problem, no problem. So thank you. So you guys will be tried very lot. Like okay, because we have some lot of gap also came, but whatever maybe you guys will be some remember something. Okay, that's a good thing. So like in LoadRunner, we have the 5 components in LoadRunner. What are there means virtual user generator and controller and agent process, load generator and analyzer. Means using these 5 components we can do from the performance testing. So if you like starting first point to fifth point like virtual user to analyzer, if you are using these 5 components only we can do from the performance testing. So first thing virtual user generator. So what is the virtual user generator means? It will be generate the load against virtual user generator nothing but it will be record the business flow and after record the business flow it will generate the script statement purpose we can use from the virtual business flow nothing but any application any web application it is a Facebook, it is a Twitter, it is a banking application, it is an insurance application. So any kind of e-commerce application. So these all will be web-based applications. So this application you want to test means using from the our virtual user generator, we can record that business flow. So business flow nothing but just launch login and click on some button and enter from the details and log out. So these steps we can call it as a business flow. So this business flow we can record means using our virtual user generator we can record and controller. So when you are recording the script, actually what will happen only single user point of view we can record the script. But actually performance testing means we want to execute with the multiple users. So when you are doing from the multiple users, how the your application behavior, how the system is behaving, there is any slowness of the any transaction. So as same to the your application might be crossing or not, cross or not, we need to check. So these all things we can't do in the virtual user generator because that is a single user point of view only can record. And once your scripting is completed in the virtual user generator, that script we can push into the controller and we can design the scenario like how many users we want to execute, how much duration you want to execute. So means we can design the scenario and execute with the multiple user point of view we are using from the controller. So we have the agent process also will be there. That is also one of the component. So what is the agent process? Nothing but it is the establish the connection between load generator to controller. So like we can go to the next is the load architecture. Then you will know that okay, what is the agent process? Like it is interface. So it is the interface between the controller and load generator. Otherwise, to establish the connection from the controller load generator to controller, controller load generator vice versa. So using from the agent process only, it will be connection will be happen. That is the agent process. Load generator nothing but it will be generate the load against to the application. Like which application you are testing, that application you are giving from the maximum users of users. So at that time need from the some CPU utilization, some memory utilization, some logs. So these all things will be stored in the as a machine. We can call it as a load generator. Simple. Okay. So once execution is completed controller, we need to analyze the results. Like each and every transaction. So transaction nothing but launch is one transaction, login is one transaction, upload video, download video, charting, comment. So each and every step we can call it as a transaction. So this transaction, when you are executing with the multiple users, as per client, like client is expecting from the each and every transaction should be 2 seconds is the SLA of the client SLA. So that is what we can do in the analyzer. Just you need to analyze, okay, each and every transaction as per client, we are breach the SLA or not, you need to check. Like SLA is breaching or not. If it is the SLA is good, like each and every transaction within the 2 seconds, then your transaction time will be good. Then your job will be done. Just what are the transactions you are find, right? That report you can send to the our client or our lead. Then if it is a client means directly we can send. If it is a in between for us is a lead will be there, we can send to the report to the lead. Then lead will be send this same report to the client. Okay, so that things we can do from the analyzer. So everything is smooth. It is going to the your job will be done. Then your job will be done. Maybe if any one of the transaction upload video is there, actually client is expecting 3 seconds, but it is happened from the 5 seconds. Client will accept your results? No. Why? Because they are expecting only 3 seconds. But we have done the execution. We are observed that our average response time of the 1000 users is 5 seconds. Okay, client will be never accept. Then our job will be again it will start. Why this upload video 5 seconds happen? What cause of the issue? What is the issue? Like it could be CPU memory is not sufficient from the 1000 users. Like previous is the 4 GB CPU memory is there. Okay, you are observed that CPU memory is crossing from the more than 80%. So already it is 80% is gone, only 20% means the 1000 user point of view that CPU is not sufficient. That will be clear for us. Then we can write to the our hardware team or our infrastructure team. So we are executing from the 1000 users from X application. We are observed that CPU memory is crossing from the more than 80%. Could you please increase from the CPU memory? Then they will increase from the 4 GB CPU memory to 8 GB CPU and 8 GB memory they will increase. Then again you can do from the 1000 users execution in controller. And after that you can again analyze the results. Then next time you are observed that like the upload transaction response time is only 2.5 seconds. Then client expecting is 3 seconds. We are in the within the SLA. So you are in the within the SLA means it is good. Then your job will be done. So like this we can find the different kind of issues, not only CPU, maybe application side issue, maybe DB side issue, database side issue, maybe network side issue. Okay, so we have the different things will be there. So it is the CPU memory is fine. Then you can start the dig the issue. Next one. So final thing you should be find the this is the cause of issue. We need to find the issue only, but we are not resolved. We have the teams will be there. Application side means we have the development team will be there. We need to inform to the development team. Okay, we are observed. Application side also it is very slow application. Because of that only our transaction response time also high. So could you please change your side and you can get back me. Then they will change from their code level things and all things they will done once again they will told us yeah we did again we can do from the one more. So this is only your job. Like you can record and you can execute multiple users as per client expectation. You are made the SLA, then is good. If not, what is that issue? You need to identify and inform to the particular teams. This is the database means database team. So like that we need to assign and we can do from the our job. So this is the, if you are doing from the any kind of tool in market, we have different tools, right? Neoload, JMeter, whatever may be, we need to do for the same process: scripting, execution, analysis. So if you're doing from the, like, see, you can observe LoadRunner, JMeter is there. For example, LoadRunner and JMeter, we are doing from the same thing, using which purpose we are doing means performance testing purpose. So they're also doing scripting, here also doing scripting. There also we are doing from the execution as a controller. We are using from the JMeter some different one, but that is also using the from execution point of. We are analyzing the results. There also we can analyze. What is difference then? Why they are developed from the different tools? So based on from the application acceptance, like some Java applications, is a JMeter is good, and it's a open source tools. Anyone can download it. Anyone can do from the free of cost. Okay. So these are the analyzer. Okay. After that, these are the components. We can move to the LoadRunner architecture because okay, Prasad having some doubts. We can clear and we'll go. No worry. Yeah. Yeah. You guys able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. So this is the LoadRunner architecture. So we know that we have the components. We use an virtual user generator, controller, and analyzer, and you can observe this AP nothing but agent process, and LG nothing but load generators. Based on from the number of users, we need from the more LGs also. So for example, each load generator capacity could be 100, but you are doing from the 120. Then how many load generators you need? See, each load generator capacity only 100. 120 users you are testing. Then how many load generators you need? 2, right? Because 100 after 20 users point of also you need one more load generator. And for example, 201 users you are doing. How many load generators we need? 100 and 1 3 means 3 load generator we need. So based on from the our load generate capacity, how many load generator we need to use, we can do from the this way. So now you can observe your execution is doing. So when you are executing the square, okay, for example, you are doing from the login scenario. Example I am explaining. You are doing from the login, multiple logins is happening. Then what will happen means, using from the controller to load generator, we are using from the agent process is a connection will be established from controller to load generator. So when you are click from the username password login, the controller to the many request is happen, right? Because you are doing from the multiple users. So multiple users will be access. So okay, some users is going to the LG1, some users is going to the LG2, some users going to the LG3. Like the load will be distributed from the here using from the our load balancer will be there. That load balancer will be the load will be distributed from the load generator 1, 2, 3. The load will be distributed from the simultaneously. Okay, and so what will happen, we are doing from the login, we are coming to the request, we are sending the request. The request is going to the LG1, same request it is going to the web server, and web server is going to the app server, and app server is going to the DB server. In the DB server, it will search the details like database side. Okay, username, password, some user is Kiran, password is Kiran123. It will be there, not there, it will check. It will be there, it will send the response. Okay, go to the next page. Means DB server immediately it will send to the go to the next page to the app server. App server to web server, it will have same response will be sent to the web server, and web server it will send to the LG. Finally, we will get from the response from the here. Means you are sending the request, you are getting the response. This round trip of request and response, we can call it as a response time. So last time I told some upload is taking from the 5 second. How it is happening means, so this request time and you are getting from the response time, it is calculated. So response time nothing but round trip of request and response. That is the response time. So that is only we need to measure. Our performance testing measure, okay, measure thing is the response time, because we are doing from the testing, perform testing means like multiple user point of view. Your response time as per client expectation, as per our SLA, service level agreement, we are meeting or not, we need to check. Maybe you can observe sometimes you can open any application, you can give from the username password wrong, you will get from the username password will be incorrect. How you are getting? That is also you are sending the request from the here, it will search these details, it will not there, okay, it will send the okay, not there, not there, not there, it will send. So but we don't need from the like negative things, we need only positive. Positive nothing but it is a user name password will be there, we are getting from the response, that is only we can concentrate. No need from the negative things from as a performance testing point of view. So this is the LoadRunner architecture. So Prasad, do you have any doubts?
No, I do not have any doubt. Just
Okay.
I have one question. Building the script, right? The vision will do. Is it
Yes.
difficult to learn or implement or?
No. It's a very easy. It's not a. Don't write any code. Okay, just playback. Just you can record. Okay, for example, Facebook is there. Okay, what you are doing, you can do from the front end. Back end automatically the code will be generated.
Okay.
After that, just you need to do from the some scripting enhancements. Why? Because the script, when you are record that script, it is a single user point of view, it will work. But actual perform testing, what we want multiple user point of view. So that script we need to ready from the multiple user point of view.
Okay.
So that scripting enhancements only we can do. We can't write any code also. Okay, no worry from that. So very simple and a very easy tool is a LoadRunner.
Okay.
See, if you don't have from the computer knowledge previous, okay, maximum some arts batch some, because this is a very simple, there is no language, so just you can concentrate everyday class and you can practice, you will get from the good knowledge after class is completed. You are thinking about also, okay, I have good knowledge, I can put from the more experience and I can get job. That much of confidence you will get. But one thing, when means daily classes you are attending, just okay, I am attending daily classes, after class completed I will get that much of confidence means not. You should be follow me, you should be do from the assignments, and you can answer the questions every day, you can do from the these things till end, then you only get the job easy.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's, I will show the one recording also. Okay, that is the, okay, up to this. Okay, LoadRunner architecture, and after that we have the some life cycle will be there. Performance testing life cycle means you want to do from the performance testing lab means we need to follow the some steps. POC, proof of concept, non-functional requirements, and test plan and workload model, and test data, script recording and enhancements, design scenario and test execution, result analysis, reporting and recommendation, risk and mitigation. So you can think about it. Just now we discussed from these all points. You will be know from that. Script recording enhancements where we can do. Just now we discussed. We use that. We use that. Right. Very good. Design scenario and test execution where we can do. Controller. That's good. Result analysis and reporting and this all where we can do.
Result analysis and analysis, report preparation or ourselves.
Yes, that will be results analysis we can do from the analyzer. So means 5th to 10th points will be you are clear. Only we need from the these steps, like what is these steps, when we can do from the these steps I will explain from the next class. Okay. What we can do means just today I will record one scenario and just I will show to you guys. Okay, I'm opening like one more thing, like once we can install the LoadRunner software, we can see the virtual user generator and controller analysis. We can see these three, but agent process also will be there, load generator will be there, but that will be we can't see here. Once open from the controller, there we can add the load generator in between controller and agent processors. Okay.
Yeah, we are using this
Sorry.
web based, right? Cloud based.
Yes, yes, we can do anything. Cloud based also can do, web based we can do, mobile also we can do.
Okay.
Okay, so once open the virtual user generator, it will be look like this, and this is the new script. You can click on this and click on add new script, and here you can observe these are we can call it as a protocols. LoadRunner, why all MNC companies using? Simple question if anyone asks. So LoadRunner it will support from the multiple protocols. Citrix, DevApp, Java user, ODBC, JDBC, and RDP and web protocol, True Client, and SAP GUI, CBEL. So multiple protocol it will support. Based on the your application, you can buy that protocol. Okay, but you are doing from the web-based application, no need to from the this all, no need to buy. Only just you need from the protocol, you need select from the any web application, you can select from the web HTTP HTML protocol, and after select that just give from the your script name. So if you are doing from the scripting, you should be know the like what steps I can record, what is that script also we need. For example, we are doing from the some test store application. Okay, test store application, and today I am giving from the date 0. Okay, and just click from the create button. So once you can click on create button, it will open like this, and now we can record means this is the record button. Just click on this record button, and after that you can observe one pop-up window will open. You are doing from the recording web, you can select from the web browser, and here application is there. Application nothing but which browser, you want Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, you need to select from the which browser you want, you can select. For example, I'm selecting from the Google Chrome, and this is also very important, URL. So which application you are testing, you need to give that URL. For example, you are doing from the ICICI Bank, you can give from the icicibank.com. You are doing from the HDFC, you are doing from the some Amazon, you can give from that URL here. So this URL and this URL, some username passwords and some test data. So we need to ask from the our client. Okay, we can ask them and we can use that data from the here. So now first, before recording, we should understand the application. Okay, just I'm open the browser. I'm not started recording, just manually we can see the first, and after that through Vision we can record. Okay.
So this software links and everything you are going to give us, Sriram?
Yes, yes, I will provide. One minute. Yeah,
Yeah.
hello. Yeah, sorry for inconvenience. So now we can see the URL. So this is the URL. Okay, just some PestStore application, sample application. So this URL we need to record. So like we can log in the application. Okay, like we are booking the pet. So before that we can log in the application, and after that you have different type of pets. You can select from the any one of the pet, and these are the pets, different type of pets will be there, parrot and finch. So you can select from the any one of these, and you need to buy means we can add the cart, and quantity you need to provide how many you want. You want only one, you can select one. You want from the two, then you can edit here, and after that click on proceed to checkout. And here it is asking from the payment details and billing address. So you need to provide this all details and click on continue. And it is asking from that, please confirm from the your details, like what are the details you are provided, that details are will be correct or not, just it is asking from the confirmation. If it is correct, then click on confirm. See, thank you, your order has been submitted. So this is the our business flow, like to till pet booking. Okay, after that we can click on the sign out. Okay, this is the business flow. Now using this business flow we can do from the in our, okay, using from the our tool. Okay, so now you can observe, so I close the all the browsers, and this is the our URL, and we have the recording options will be there. So just we can discuss this briefly from the later. Okay, just now we are recording only. Okay, and okay, everything is fine, click on OK, and now click from the start record button. This is the start record button, click on this. If you click from the start record button, actually which browser we are selected? Google Chrome. It is automatically the browser will be opening. So you can observe our which URL you are provided, that URL it is displaying as same to the, you can observe it is it will open from the, like how we did from the manually, it will be here also, it will be same like that. Okay, you should be wait from the until that application will open, and you can observe here it is the events are increasing, recording events means your application is responding properly. So now you can observe launch is completed. After launch, what we can do? Login, right? So click on login button. And after that, what we can do? We can click on the birds. So click from the birds. And here you can select from the any one of the product ID like parrot or whatever. And after that, click on add to cart. And after that, like quantity, click on proceed to checkout and enter the details and click on continue. And finally you should be confirmed. See, thank you, your order has been submitted. Like in this address, payment is done, and this is the billing address. So everything is done, and finally will be log out, sign out. So your recording is done. Then we can, this is the stop record button, just click on that button. See, the code is automatically, the code will be generating. No need to write from the manually anything. Okay. So now you can observe, if you click on the action, so everything is recorded. So this is the launch URL, and you can observe login code also it is recorded. See, username password we are given J2W. This is the login information. So you can observe this is not any code, just simple language. We can call it as a test script language. Nothing, it's a simple English only. Everything you can observe, and you can observe. So what you did, it is see your selected product. So this is the product ID. So means that step is recorded here. And after that, add to cart. You have done the add to cart. And after that, proceed to checkout, you are clicked. That code is recorded. And after that, order action, like we are given from the all details, card type, credit card, expire date, billing address, zip code, everything you are given, everything is recorded here. And after that, you are confirm the details, like this is the details, and final will be sign out. So what are the steps you performed? Everything is recorded here. Prasad, are you there?
Yes.
So means what steps you are expecting, all steps will be recorded. So like this, you need to record from the any business flow. like it's a banking, insurance, healthcare. It is e-commerce applications or anything application you can record from the like this. Got it? So tomorrow we'll explain from the
Yes.
more about more and today I'm stopping up to this. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue from the classes and we'll explain from the more. Okay, thank you everyone, and we'll catch tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, thank you, bye.